Well, it's the first day of May. A bit breezy out, but nice and sunny. Lovely and warm in the Polytunnel. So here you can see I've set out all my seed trays with various things going on. So what have we got? Here's some spinach. Not quite sure what it is. Amazon F1. Okay. And what else have we got? Some borage. Plenty of that for the plot to attract pollinators. Got some purple sprouting here, which actually I've already potted them some on into bigger pots, so may not use those particularly. A little bit of chicory going on here. There we go, bit of chicory. Endive, which I've not grown before, so I thought I'd give it a try. Perpetual spinach, which, like its name, just keeps on going. And oh yes, some poached eggplants here. And again, another great one for the plot for attracting pollinators. Some cosmos coming up nicely. Again, lots of flowers for the plot, and some marigolds. They're coming up fine. Don't usually take a lot of trouble to get going. These I'm looking forward to. These are lettuce seedlings for relay, and they've got a nice sort of red tinge to them, which make them particularly attractive, and also as when they mature. And rhubarb chard here. This is a lovely little seedling with its kind of red centres. Really, really pretty. And some lovely parsley. These are actually supermarket parsley that have been divided up soon after we got them, and they've grown really well. So plenty of seedlings on the go here, and you know, just want the weather to warm up a little bit, and then I'll start planting them out and probably give them a bit of cover. So there we go.